With us today to show us our next segment is Crystal Osborne from Lee County. And she is going to show us how to cold pack our vegetables. After her, Nanette Banks from Leslie County will show us how to do a hot pack.
Raw packing is filling jars tightly with freshly prepared but unheated foods. Raw packing is more suitable for vegetables processed in a pressure canner. To raw pack green beans, you want to first fill your jars tightly with raw beans, leaving a 1-inch head space. You can take your fingers to pack them in there tightly. And you'll want to fill them up to the edge of the lower part of the rim. Then you can add a teaspoon of salt, and this is optional. You don't have to use salt. It's your preference. And next we're going to add boiling water. With the boiling water, you also add that to the lower part of your rim. Once you have the water in there, you may have some air bubbles, so you can take a metal scraper. If you don't have not a metal scraper, but a plastic scraper. If you don't have a plastic scraper, you can take the end of a spatula and just work it around the edge of your jars. And this gets the air bubbles out. You don't want to use metal because it may nick your jars.
Hot packing is when you heat freshly prepared foods to boiling, and then you simmer it for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you promptly fill the jars with the boiled food. Hot packing is the best way to remove air, and it is the preferred method for boiling water canners. To hot pack, after you have boiled the beans, you want to fill the boiled beans to the bottom of the neck of the bottle, and these need to be loosely filled. And after that, you want to fill it up with 1-inch headspace of water, of the boiling water. And you also use a plastic spatula, and you can get the air bubbles out. But remember to keep it loosely packed.